Make a great choice today with the 2019 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, tachometer, leather shift knob, luxury group 2. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.